When you look at Ariana Grande, it's not difficult to see what clear, glowing skin she has. There have been various rumors about her skincare routine, but little is known about the secret recipe she uses to maintain such glowing skin. This is where this video comes in. In a bit, we will reveal Ariana Grande's top-notch skincare routine to help you step up your game and make your skin glow. Not surprising that she has channeled her wisdom in skincare into her own cosmetic brand, R.E.M Beauty. Before we continue, here is a little fact. Ariana has acne-prone skin, but how has she still got such skin? Please stick with us to learn her extra beauty secrets for healthy and glowing skin. Body Ariana Grande is regarded as one of the most famous figures in the pop music industry. Unlike many artists, she transitioned from a childhood actress to becoming a highly influential singer, quickly amassing a global fan base. Throughout her music career, she has made significant contributions to the music world, producing hit tracks such as Problem, The Way, Focus, Seven Rings, God is a Woman, and No Tears Left to Cry. Grande is also admired for her physical features, including her captivating eyes, charming smile, and luxurious hair. However, her flawless and supple skin captures her fans' attention. Her skin consistently appears radiant, dewy, and healthy, even under the intense lighting of the stage and cameras. This discovery raises the question, what is the secret behind her radiant glow? The question has been asked before by many of her fans. The public is very interested in Ariana's personal and professional life. Fans often ask about various aspects of her life, including how she maintains her beautiful skin despite being acne-prone. Grande has been vague in her responses, but some fans discovered that she sometimes falls asleep with her makeup on. Leaving makeup on can block pores and cause frequent breakouts, so the question remains, what's her secret? In an interview, Grande revealed that she follows a skincare routine every morning and night, emphasizing the importance of removing makeup before bed to prevent acne. Morning routine, she starts with cleansing her face. Beauty experts believe cleansing forms the bedrock of any skincare routine, and Ariana prioritizes this step religiously. She says cleansing is the first step to getting your glow up. She further emphasizes the importance of knowing your skin type. Knowing your skin type will guide your choice of cleanser. For example, oily skin might benefit from a gel cleanser, while dry skin might prefer a creamier formula. After her shoot, Ariana double cleanses. This involves oil-based cleansers to remove heavy makeup, followed by water-based cleansers to remove impurities and sweat. According to beauty blogs, double cleansing benefits those, like Ariana, who often wears dramatic stage makeup. While cleansing her face, she avoids harsh scrubbing, which can irritate the skin. Using warm water and gentle circular motions with your fingertips does the trick. Next is moisturizing for a dewy glow. Ariana Grande believes that hydration is critical for plump, healthy-looking skin. After cleansing her face, she offers many options for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer like the La Mer Moisturizing Soft Cream. For shows that Ariana Grande has to put on heavy makeup, her skincare routine includes using products like starting with an oxygenating serum. In videos released by Vogue, the singer shows her fans how to apply the serum and the exact product she uses, which is the Oxygen Serum by Sarah Ford BioCell Serum. After the serum gets into the skin, the singer and actress apply a moisturizer and SPF to protect her from the sun's rays. Ariana has spoken openly about the importance of sun protection, and eagle-eyed fans have spotted her using the LTMD sunscreen in her bathroom selfies. She mixes La Mer Moisturizing Soft Cream with LTMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum. This SPF has a non-greasy texture that will not make the face feel sticky or heavy, so it feels light and dewy. This particular SPF helps with acne problems. The moisturizer helps in decreasing the pores of the skin. Sunscreen SPF protection is non-negotiable even on cloudy days. It safeguards your skin from UV rays that cause premature aging and hyperpigmentation. Ariana has spoken openly about the importance of sun protection. As mentioned earlier, choosing the right product for your skin type is crucial. SPF sunscreen is no exception. She advised looking for a broad-spectrum SPF, 30 or higher that suits your skin type. Some moisturizers contain SPF, but if yours doesn't, apply sunscreen as the last step of your morning routine. Here is a little tip. Remember to apply sunscreen, and also remember that sunscreen breaks down over time, so reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Ariana stays busy with rehearsals, performances, and social media shoots, so she likely has a travel-sized sunscreen for touch-ups throughout the day. Under eye balm, Ariana uses full night sleep cooling blurring under eye balm by her beauty and skincare brand R.E.M Beauty. Using eye balm helps provide a comfortable and fresh feeling to the eyes, aside from helping to decrease the dark circles under the eyes. Eye mask. The next item in the Ariana Grande skincare routine is another under-eye product, the Benefiance Wrinkle Resist 24 Pure Retinol Express Smoothing Eye Mask by Shiseido. Eyes masks help with under-eye wrinkles. The under-eye mask can be used for 15 minutes, as their brand suggests, but Ariana uses them for 4 hours. Night skincare routine. The morning routine is more than just where it ends. Ariana Grande believes that just like the morning routine prepares your skin for the harshness of the day, performing night routines also helps rejuvenate your skin. Here is a simple nighttime skincare routine Ariana does every day before sleeping. Removing makeup. The famous singer does makeup throughout the day while she's out there performing, acting, promoting, or doing other pop stars. But she doesn't go to bed with it. Cleansing before bed is crucial for the celebrity as it helps to remove accumulated dirt and makeup, allowing her skin to breathe and repair overnight. As part of her skincare routine, she stresses removing her makeup every night. She acknowledges that while she tries not to sleep with makeup on, she sometimes fails, like everyone else. In another interview, she further emphasized the importance of this skincare practice, revealing that she had acne-prone skin in her teenage years. She said that as long as her makeup is removed, everything is fine. Exfoliate. After the makeup is removed, the next step is exfoliating. Ariana does it by using wipes and coconut oil. It removes heavy eye makeup that is not easy to remove with water. The brand she uses the most for face wipes is Neutrogena. Moisturizing. Ariana usually switches to a richer, more hydrating moisturizer to replenish lost moisture overnight. She prefers ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, or squalane, known for their powerful hydrating properties. She has mentioned loving La Mer products, and the moisturizing cream is a popular choice for its luxurious feel and intense hydration. Here are some beauty secrets Ariana lives by. The first is that she sticks to a solid under-eye care routine. Ariana prioritizes her under-eyes, using her R.E.M brand balm and the Benefiance Retinol Eye Mask to combat wrinkles and dark circles. She uses the eye mask for a calming and effective morning ritual. 2. Ariana loves coconut oil. She embraces organic, affordable options for her face and body. She says it doesn't clog pores and loves its versatility for skin and hair. 3. She uses Serum Ariana Swears by the Oxygen Serum by Sarah Ford BioCell for years, using it as a base for her skincare routine. It helps her skin stay precise and resilient, even with heavy makeup application, aiding in texture and damage repair. 4. She uses oils to treat her breakouts. Grande recommends using a good lotion and adhering to a consistent skincare routine to manage breakouts, debunking the misconception that drying solutions are the most effective remedy. She explained, "Many people believe that applying a drying solution to blemishes will eliminate them, but in reality, oil breaks down oil." 5. She drinks lots of water. Ariana Grande uses certain products and has a daily routine, but those aren't the only secrets to her flawless skin. In an interview with Posugar, she revealed the ultimate beauty hack, staying hydrated by drinking lots of water. She believes it helps solve skin concerns, making water her go-to remedy.
So as y'all know, I don't really endorse anything, but health is something that's really, really important to me. So I'm very excited to be working with water because it's good for your body, it's good for your mind.
Ariana Grande knows the importance of caring for her skin, especially since she wears a lot of makeup for her job. Grande says that the most important thing she's learned is to protect her skin, and that wearing makeup can permanently damage it if you don't use the right products. She used to have breakouts a lot when she was younger, but she now knows how to use the proper skincare and makeup to keep her skin healthy and glowing. Her products might be expensive, but they make her skin glow. What do you think about Ariana Grande's skincare routine? Do you think she got such radiant skin solely from her routine? Feel free to let us know in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to avoid missing out on our future videos.